Hello students, we were doing series. Let us continue with the same topic. Divide 32 into 4 parts in AP such that product of the extremes is to product of means as 7:15. So divide करना है into 4 parts which are in AP. So when we have to divide 4 parts in AP, that means we have to take 4 numbers in AP. So let the numbers in AP, let the parts which are in AP are A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. We have discussed it earlier that if we have to take 4 numbers which are in AP, then for our convenience, we will take those numbers as A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D. So apply the first condition. We will divide this into 32. It means the sum of these 4 numbers should be equal to 32. So we have A minus 3D plus A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 3D should be equal to 32. It is given to us. This is given. So what will we get? This cancel with this, D with this. So we have A plus A plus A plus A, that is 4A is equal to 32 implies A is equal to 8. So we have value of 8. Now we want to find value of D to find the numbers. So let us use the second condition. Product of extremes to the product of means. Extremes are A minus 3D and A plus D 3D. And means are A minus D and A plus D. So product of this with this. So we have second condition as product of means, product of extremes A plus 3D to the product of means A minus D, A plus D will be equal to 7/15. This is also given to us. So what we have A minus B, A plus B is A square minus B square. So we have A square minus B square. B square means 3D ka whole square, which is equal to A minus 9D square, and it is A minus D, A plus D is A square plus D square. Sorry, A square minus D square. So this is equal to 7/15. Again we have A as 8. So we have 8 square minus 9D square upon 8 square minus D square equal to 7/15. Cross multiply, it is 16 into 8 square. अभी हम इसको ऐसे ही रखें अगर ताकि कैलकुलेशन डिफिकल्ट ना हो. So we have 15A square minus 9 into 15 is 135 D square will be equal to 7A square minus 7D square. To keep our calculation easier, we don't put value of A here. Let us this as 15A square minus 7A square, which is equal to minus 7D square, और इसको यहाँ पे it is 135D square. So it is 8A square is equal to, this is 128D square, and it is A square is equal to 180 square D square upon 8. So it is 16D square. Clear? So we have A square equal to 16D square. Let us now put value of A here. Okay? So it is 8 into 8 is equal to 16D square, or this will imply D square equal to 8 into 8 upon 16. So this will be 4. So D is plus minus 2. So we have now value of A as well as D. Let us now write the numbers. When A is 8 and D is 2, the numbers are A is 8 minus 3 into 2, 6. A minus D, 8 minus 2. A plus D, 8 plus 2. And next is A plus 6. Clear? So we have 8 minus 6 as 2, 6, this is 10 and this is 14. So we have number 2, 6, 10 and 14. And when we put A as 8 and B as -2, we will get number as 14, 10, 6 and 2. Clear? So the numbers, 4 numbers are 14, 10, 6 and 2. Let us now sum these. So 14 plus 10 plus 8 is 32. 24 plus 8 is 32. So this is all about the solution. Next question. If A, B, C are in AP, then prove that this is equal to this. Students, if A, B, C are in AP, arithmetic progression, then we have a relation that B is equal to A plus C by 2. That is, B is arithmetic mean between these two extreme numbers. So we have value as 2B equal to A plus C. So let us now put value of B in these equation. So let us take left hand side. Left hand side is AB cube minus A cube minus C cube. Let us now calculate this. This is equal to 8. B, put value of B as A plus C by 2 whole cube minus A cube minus C cube. So we have 2 cube as 8. So we have A plus C whole cube upon 8 cancel minus A cube minus C cube. So we have A cube plus C cube plus 3AC A plus C, and this is minus A cube minus C cube. So this cancel. So we have 3AC into A plus C, which is equal to right hand side of the equation. So this is all about the solution. Next is, if A, B, C are in AP, then prove that this is also in AP. So if again use the same condition, if this is in AP, then this implies B is equal to A plus C by 2, or you can say 2B is equal to A plus C. Or if this is in AP, if B plus, if this B minus C, C plus A minus B, A plus B minus C is in AP, if ये AP में कब होगा? If this is arithmetic mean between these two equations, between these two numbers. So if C plus A minus B is B plus C minus A plus B minus C upon 2. So let us now calculate if this is true or not. So we have A cancels with A and C cancels with C. So this is equal to B, and B is equal to, this is B plus C minus A plus B minus C divided by 2. So we have to prove if C plus A minus B is equal to B, if C plus A is equal to 2B, if C plus A upon 2 is equal to B, which is true by 1, as A, B, C are in AP. So this is the solution. If A, B, C are in AP, then we have this relation. Okay, and we have to prove that these numbers are in AP. So these numbers are in AP if we have this as sum of these, arithmetic mean of these two numbers. So we have arithmetic mean of this, that is 2B upon 2. 2 cancel with 2. We have B is equal to this. If C plus A is equal to 2B, if C plus A by 2 is equal to B, which is true by 1. So as they are in EP, this implies that B plus C minus A, C plus A minus B, A plus B minus C also in AP. So we have given in next question, if A, B, C are in AP, then prove that these are also in AP. If A, B, C are in AP, so let A is equal to A and B is equal to A plus B and C is equal to A plus 2. We can take these where D is the common difference. ठीक है? We can always take this if these are given in the AP. So कॉमन डिफरेंस रिमेन डी. इसको इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे यू विल गेट डी, इसको इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे यू विल गेट डी. सो देयरफॉर ए बी सी आर इन एपी. एपी में क्या होता है, वही टर्म्स होती हैं जिनको अगर हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करें सेकंड में से फर्स्ट तो डिफरेंस जो आए सेम हो, अगर हम थर्ड में से सेकंड को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. सो वी कैन ऑलवेज एज्यूम दैट ए इज इक्वल टू ए, बी इज इक्वल टू दिस एंड सी इज इक्वल टू दिस. अगेन इफ दे आर लेट a square b plus c, b square c plus a, c square a plus b are in AP if this minus this, if b square c plus a second term minus कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम हो तो सेकंड टर्म माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म का डिफरेंस किसके इक्वल हो जाए, थर्ड टर्म माइनस सेकेंड टर्म. अगर ये दोनों लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड इक्वल आ जाए तो वी कैन क्लेम दैट दीज नंबर आर इन एपी. सो लेट अस नाउ कैलकुलेट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड. सो वी हैव लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एज बी स्क्वायर सी प्लस ए माइनस ए स्क्वायर बी प्लस सी. दिस इज लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू, put value of b square as a plus d whole square. Put value of c as a plus 2d plus a minus a as it is. Put value of b as a plus d and c as a plus 2d. So this will be equal to a plus d whole square 2a plus 2d and this is minus a square 2a plus, this is 2a plus 3d. So we have a plus d whole square, 2 common, a plus d minus a square 2a plus 3d. So we have 2a plus d cube minus a square 2a plus 3d. So we have 2a cube plus b cube plus 3ad a plus d, clear, minus this is 2a cube multiply this minus 3d a square. So we have 2a cube plus 2d cube plus 6a square d, this is a square d plus 6d square a minus 2a cube minus 3d a square. So this cancels, this is minus, minus cancels, so we have 2d cube plus 6, this is plus 6d square a, this is plus 3d a square. This is what you get when you have solved left hand side. So this is left hand side, and students we have calculated right hand side. Put value of c as a plus 2d whole square, b as a plus d, b square as a plus d square and c as a plus 2d. So this is a plus 2d square, this is a plus a 2a plus d, this is 2a plus 2d a plus d whole square. So we have a plus 2d whole square as a square plus 4d square plus 4ad. Formula of a plus b ka whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Next multiplied with 2a plus d, and this is 2 times a plus d whole cube, that is a cube b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So उसको open किया, 2 से multiply किया, and after calculation let us multiply these two. We have this, and after calculation we have these left hand side, this right hand side as this, which is equal to left hand side. So this as 2, this as 1. Since left hand side is equal to right hand side, this difference is equal to this. then this implies that the given terms are in AP. Clear? So अगर आपके पास common difference दोनों में same है, this minus this is equal to this minus this implies that these given terms are in AP. Next question, if 1 upon A, 1 upon B, 1 upon C are in AP, then prove that this are in AP and this term is also in, these terms are also in AP. So let us now take the first part. If these are in AP, if 1 upon A, 1 upon B, 1 upon C are in AP, then this will imply that difference of this with this 1 by B minus 1 upon A should be equal to 1 upon C minus 1 upon A. So this implies that this is 1 upon C minus B. Clear? Second minus first term, third minus second term, difference जो होना चाहिए वो same होना चाहिए. So we have 1 upon B, take this here, plus 1 upon B is equal to 1 upon C plus 1 upon A. This will imply 2 upon B should be equal to 1 upon A plus 1 upon C. Take this as 1. Let us now take this. If these are in AP, let R in AP if ये AP में कब होंगे? अगर आपके पास if AB plus AC, BC plus BA, CA plus BC, divide by ABC, ABC, ABC are also, if they are in AP, if let this is in AP, अगर ये AP में होगा तो this will imply this is also in AP. ठीक है? अगर हमारे पास ये तीनों टर्म्स AP में हैं तो इसका क्या मतलब है? अगर हम उन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन वाली टर्म को किसी भी कांस्टेंट से डिवाइड करते हैं, ऐड करते हैं या सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, you will again get those terms in AP. So let us now divide this by ABC. So AB upon ABC is 1 upon C, AB AB से cancel, plus AC upon ABC. ABC से डिवाइड करने का मतलब ये है कि आप इससे इस नंबर को भी डिवाइड कर रहे हो और इससे AC को भी डिवाइड कर रहे हो. AB and this is 1 upon A plus 1 upon C and this is 1 upon B plus 1 upon A. Clear? इसको इससे डिवाइड करेंगे, C C कैंसिल, 1 upon B, इसको इससे डिवाइड करेंगे, 1 upon A, R in A. Clear? Let us check now whether they are in AP. This implies अगर ये आपके पास AP में है तो this will imply that difference between these, this with this and this with this are equal. So if they are in AP, this will imply this minus this should be equal to 1 upon B plus 1 upon A minus 1 upon A minus 1 upon C. So let us now check. This is equal to 1 upon A plus C minus this. So it is 1 upon A plus 1 upon C. C से C cancel. So it is 1 upon A minus 1 upon B is equal to 1 upon B minus 1 upon C. So इसको इधर ले आओ और इस B को उधर ले जाओ. So this will imply 1 upon A plus 1 upon C is equal to 2 upon B, which is true. This is true by 1. So this will imply that these terms are in AP. किया क्या है? इसको यूज किया है. Let these are in AP. If they are in AP, then difference between second with first, third with second should be equal. We get in a relation that is 2B is equal to 1 upon C plus 1 upon A. Let us now take these terms. Let these are in AP. If these are in AP, then if we divide these terms with the same constant, then they will also remain in AP. And now you will get this. This is an AP if we have difference equal to this. That is second minus first is equal to third minus second. If, let us now यहाँ पे लिखो, this is in AP if this is true. If this is true and if this is equal to the which is true. Clear? Second part, let B plus C upon A, C plus A upon B, this are in AP. अगर ये AP में है, this will imply 1, this is adding 1. अगर ये आपके पास AP में है तो इसमें अगर हम कुछ ऐड करते हैं कांस्टेंट, दैट विल आल्सो रिमेन इन AP. सो इट इज B plus C upon A plus 1, C plus A upon B plus 1 and A plus B upon C plus 1 or also in AP. That will not change the arithmetic progression. This will further imply upon A, C plus A plus B upon B, A plus B plus C upon C are in AP. Clear? This will imply this cancel, 1 upon A, 1 upon B, 1 upon C are in AP, which is true, given to you, which is true. This is in AP. इसको हम ऐसे लिखेंगे, if this is in AP, if let's say ही ठीक है, let this is in AP, then this will imply this is also in AP, then this will imply this is also in AP, then this will imply this is in AP, and it is true given to us. So this completes the solution. Next question, if A square, B square and C square are also in AP, then prove that 1 upon B plus C, 1 upon C plus A, 1 upon A plus B are also in AP. And we have if 1 upon B plus C, 1 upon C plus A, 1 upon AP, A plus B are in AP, then prove that A upon B plus C, B upon C plus A and C upon A plus B are also in AP. ठीक है, सो हम एक पार्ट प्रूव करेंगे, फिर ये वाला जो पार्ट है इसी से इंटरलिंक्ड है. सो लेट अस नाउ प्रूव दिस. लेट फर्स्ट पार्ट, लेट वी हैव 1 upon B plus C, 1 upon C plus A, 1 upon A plus B are in AP. If they are in AP, then difference between these C plus A minus B plus C second minus first is equal to third minus second. Let us now combine this with this. So this will imply 2 times C plus A. This is C plus A और यहाँ पे इसको प्लस करेंगे 1 upon C plus A. You will get 2 times C plus A. इसको इधर लेके जाएंगे is equal to A plus B plus 1 upon B plus C. So these terms are in AP if left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is, this is an AP if and only if 2 times 2 upon C plus B, C plus A is equal to 1 upon A plus B plus 1 upon B plus C. So let us now calculate this. If and only if 2 times C plus A is equal to 1 upon A plus B, take the LCM, B plus C. And you have B plus C, this is B plus C plus A plus B. So this is what you get, this is equal to A plus 2B plus C upon A plus B, B plus C. So if and only if we have 2 upon C plus A is now equal to A plus C plus 2B upon A plus B, B plus C. Clear? So let us now cross multiply this. So we have, so let us now cross multiply if and only if 2 times A plus B into B plus C will be now equal to A plus C into A plus C plus 2b. Let us now multiply a plus c. A plus c with a plus c as a plus c whole square plus a plus c into 2b. So a plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and let us multiply this 2ab plus 2bc. So here you have if and only if continuation में 2 times ab multiply this ab plus ac plus b square plus bc. So we have 2ab if and only if 2ab plus 2ac plus 2b square plus 2bc is equal to a square plus c square plus 2ac plus 2ab plus 2bc. So 2ab cancels, 2ac cancel, 2bc cancel. So we have 2b square a plus c square. So this will imply b square is equal to a square plus c square by 2. What does this mean? This means that b square is arithmetic mean between a square and c square, and this is only possible if a square, b square and c square are in AP, and this is true. It is given to you, which is true, which is true. So यहाँ पे implies की जगह we will take if and only if and only if. Clear? ये if and only if चल रहा है, ये true है if and only if this b square is equal to this, and this will imply if and only if a square, b square, c square are in AP, and this is true. So अगर आपके पास a square, b square, c square AP में है, because this is given to us, therefore it is true. तो आपने क्या प्रूव कर दिया? 1 upon b plus c, 1 upon c plus a, 1 upon a plus b are also in AP. So let us now prove the second part. Second part, we have given this, they are in AP, and we have to prove this is also in AP. So let us now take a upon b plus c, b upon c plus a, c plus ab are in AP. If this is an AP, then if we divide or multiply or add some constant term to these, that they will also remain in AP. So adding 1 to them. Let this is an AP. So this will imply b plus c, adding 1, c plus a plus 1, c upon a plus b plus 1 are also in AP. They are also in AP. Now adding 1, you will get a plus b plus c upon b plus c, and you will get b plus c plus a upon c plus a, and this is c plus a plus b upon a plus b are in AP. This cancels. So this will imply 1 upon b plus c, 1 upon c plus a, 1 upon a plus b are in AP, which is true as given to us. So this will imply that these three terms are in AP. Students, अगर आपको ये second part as it is prove करने के लिए आए, तो ऊपर आपके पास क्वेश्चन ही होगा if a square plus b square c square are in AP, then prove that this is also in AP. Then आपको फिर पहले ये वाला पार्ट प्रूव करना है, उसके बाद ये वाला पार्ट टेक अप करोगे. क्लियर? So they both are interrelated. So that is all about the some question based on the series. So thank you for watching the video.